Hi everyone, I'm Steven, and today I'm using foam board to make Wolverine claws. If you're curious, please subscribe, like this video, and let's get to it. To start off, we're going to make a template. So take a piece of cereal box cardboard and trace a ruler or a paint stir to get the desired length of your claws. Draw on the claw, making sure that it curves down at the end and is thinner towards your hand. Cut it out and trace onto foam board. You're going to need to trace it 3 times for each hand, so 6 total. I got my foam board from the dollar store, so this is a really inexpensive project. Use an X-Acto or utility blade to cut it out. To cut out the little hole on each blade, I used a hole punch. Tightly roll a piece of paper until it's the thickness of the hole that you punched out and wrap it in some tape just to hold it into place. Slide that through the holes to connect 3 of the blades that you cut out. Fit it on your hand, and once you have them positioned between your fingers, start gluing. It's going to take a couple minutes to glue each claw into the position that you need, so just be patient. Feel free to trim down the claws if needed, especially along the portion where it touches your skin. But it's okay if it's tight. It looks a little bit more realistic if it's pressed up tightly against your skin. Cut off the ends of the rolled paper and keep gluing. When all the hot glue is cooled and dry, paint everything in black, and then I'm going to go in and paint everything in metallic silver. However, if you don't have silver paint, I'd like to mention an alternative. You can definitely use tinfoil. If you use tinfoil, use white glue to glue it onto the claws as smoothly as possible and wrap the foil around. To make it look a little bit more like metal, lightly rub on some black paint. This just dirties up the shiny foil and makes it look more realistic. Anyway, let me finish painting both sets of claws and I'll be back with the finished product. So there you have it, Wolverine claws. This is a super short project that costs under $1 to make as long as you already have the hot glue. I think it turned out pretty cool, and I hope you guys like the suggestion to use tinfoil if you don't have silver paint. Anyway, I'd love it if you would subscribe, like this video, and I'll see everyone very soon. Bye-bye. Who you looking at, bub?